Alright guys, we're here at AutoZone. We're gonna go look for some wheel paint because I don't want to buy any off Amazon. And I don't really know what I want to get yet, so we're just gonna go look. Let's head in and check it out. I gotta get Owen out of the car. We're gonna roll in there. Oh my god, we're in. Alright, let's go look, okay? So usually I get VHT brand stuff right here, but they don't really have black, so we're gonna keep looking to see what kind of stuff we want. So that's kind of cool. That looks nice, actually. So this one looks pretty nice. I don't know if I'm going to use this or not, but it's really black and metallic-y, so that's kind of cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool, huh, bub? So I really like this stuff. High temp wheel paint. Chip resistant polyurethane for steel and aluminum.
I want these big ones.
But I like the color of this. Alright guys, so I think I figured out. I'm gonna go with this Dupli-Color black metallic and then the VHT gloss clear. So that's what we're gonna roll with. We need to get, I don't think anything else. I think we're good on everything. I just want to try one to see how I like it, and then we're going to go from there. So, let's go check out. Alright, Owie, I think we're ready to go. Alright, guys. We found the wheel paint I think we're going to use. Now we need to head home and see how these look. So, excited for that. I'm going to get all this stuff set up, ready to go. And just a little recap. Here's what they look like. They look awful. Here's the one that I redid in the previous video. So I need to wet sand this one and then let it dry for a little bit, and then we can get to spraying. So I'm excited about that. Hopefully this turns out the way I want it. So we'll see, guys. But I got to get my little workstation ready here. So that's what we're going to do. So I've got some 1500 grit. So that's what I'm going to wet sand with. Alright guys, so the rim's all done. I am super excited with the results. Just finished up 4 clear coats with the VHT, and let me show you guys because it looks really awesome. Like, it just turned out so good. super metallic-y, the black that I wanted. I mean, it came out super good. So, yeah. Like, I couldn't be more happy. So, super amped about that. And then I got one other thing to show you guys that I'm really excited about. So, let me get that. All right, so you probably saw it on Instagram, and I was super excited about it. But I got some OEM red Honda like center caps. Really excited about those. I'm probably going to get a red valve stem. And then I got to figure out what kind of nice lug nuts that I'm going to get for that. But that's how they're going to look, guys. They turned out super good. They went from super, super ugly to like that. I mean, huge, huge difference. The bad part is I got 3 left to do. So, I'll have to find time to figure out when I'm going to work on those. But those came out just like amazingly awesome. Alright guys, so I think that's it for this video. Just gonna be back to sanding the Del Sol in the next one. So stay tuned for that. But check us out everywhere we are. On Instagram, on OldSols.com, on the forum. I don't know what I just said. Forum. And we've started a new Del Sol database on OldSols.com. So hit us up. There's a mosquito. Let me know what kind of lug nuts you guys think I should get. I don't really know yet. Give me some suggestions. Also, let me know what kind of tires you think I should get, because I'm going to be saving up for some tires for those rims too. So I've just got a lot of saving the money to... God, I cannot talk today, guys. I'm so sorry. I've got a lot of money to save. So, until next time, guys. Peace.